It's 2 years now since we moved our business into this old kirk in Shetland. It had stood empty for many years and the building had suffered some deterioration. This was one of our toilets, which had suffered some rot to the bottom of the walls. There'd been a burst tank which had caused some rot in the floorboards. And generally it was just not a pleasant place to be. So I looked in some online decoration places and came up with this idea with one of these programs where you put in what you want and it shows you a picture of what the room will be. So that gave me a little inspiration of what I might like to do. And this is the story of how it happened. And this is why I haven't posted much sewing lately, because I've spent the last probably month to 6 weeks working on this room. Hope you like it. So this was the picture that the Tile Store app made me, and I was quite impressed with it. I'd never seen anything like it before, but it kind of gave me some good ideas. And here it is, finally finished. All reused timber. That's a cupboard door out of the board. And the oak top is an old worktop. Still need to put some little caps in the holes. But very pleased, we now have a nice, comfortable warm washdown room, which is also an accessible toilet and a shower. So very pleased with that. And a lovely coloured door.